If you've ever edited a video and thought, I wish this looked more pro, these 7 Capcut features are my go-to tools to make any video pop. Whether it's for my Python channel or gaming edits, these tricks save time and make everything look clean. Tech here, and here are 7 useful Capcut features I use all the time. So there's quite a few transitions that I use regularly, as you can see me previewing them in my favorites panel. Those are my top 9 transitions, you can say. So in this career mode video I've used, that one is the shake one. I like to use that quite often. That's one of my go-tos then. And so is this next one. The mix transition is probably my most commonly used and is good for small cuts between gaming clips, so that it allows a smooth transition. However, more recently I've had access to pro transitions on a free trial, so I've been trying quite a few of them out, and it is always good to try out new stuff then. Next up, we have some essential effects that we use more often than not. So let's say we've got this Salah edit clips then. So more often than not as well, the media doesn't really match the portrait layout. And so you want to make it bigger, but you don't want to make it too big. And so then my key go-to for this situation is to make a full-size version at the back and then paste it on top of the version that's on top. Make that a bit smaller so that you can see everything then in that version. And then the background one, we can go to the effects section then, and I have a couple of, there's quite a few effects here, but I mainly only use the 2 I'm talking about. So the blur effect, then that blurs the background one clip, and then we can use sharpen edges on the front one, and that makes it look really good as well. These are definitely good for football edits then, and other uses, similar uses. A big part of any editing project is the text you use, and these text templates that I'm going to show here are some of my favorites then. So this subscribe one I use quite often, looks really good, and then yeah, I normally change the text then. See here in the career mode episode, we can use it to call in episode 8 text. And then after this, there will be another section where one of these templates will be quite good. This career mode video has been released and is on my career mode channel. The link will be in the description below if you want to check it out. Then we did end up keeping most of these stuff then in the final video. So yeah, halfway through season 2 even, yeah, we put that text there. So that's using one of the effect options then, and we can use this transition which makes the video pop. I think we need to put this text a bit earlier, so we move it now and then preview it for the last time here. Okay, so now this is in a Python programmer video for the Python channel that has also been released, showcasing my structured English language. So we're going to show some keyframing in here, so to smoothly transition the second image in, and then so that the first image moves out of the way, and then afterwards then the second image moves in to the middle then after the first image moves out. So we can do that to make the transition of those images smooth then. So all you have to do is click that button on the right. That means that the image just can be dynamically changed then. Currently still in development, but the translation. And there you can see a smooth animation with the images when they come in and out. Then we can adjust them as well, so we can drag them is nearly finished. Left and right. Development, but the translator is nearly and obviously finished. We'd add a closing transition to now the image as well then. Okay, and so now a 2-in-1 freeze frame and we're gonna do Chroma Key, so show off the Chroma Key as well. So this will be perfect for a moment where inserting a meme. So we pause the video here. Basically, we've used the freeze, and then we're gonna insert this John Cena meme that I have saved. Are you sure about that one? And so the Chroma Key is really good. You can choose any color and then completely remove it from the background of any video or image. Video, I think. I don't think you can do images. But for any video, you can just choose the color and then change the intensity, change the shadow. Other options as well if you have Pro.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, and so now we're doing an honorable mention, which is recording voiceovers. So there is an in-editor voiceover you can do, which is really good. You can adjust the volume, mute audio, reduce echo, those options there. You can see. And so you can record your voice while the video is playing, then you can see what's happening in the video and you can record accordingly. Then you can't hear my voice recording there then because I didn't record the audio in that clip then. Well, I didn't record my mic. I'll play it back then probably. You can see it's quite good then. Okay, and so now last but not least, text to speech is quite a useful feature. So all you need to do to start it is to enter text in a text box then. And so I've used this quite a bit on my Python videos. This is a snippet from one of my Python videos as well that I'm showing here. Just a short clip that I had saved on my computer still. So I'm doing text to speech for this then. So it is quite useful if you don't want to do your own voiceover. Sometimes the AI voices are annoying, but there's lots of different options you can choose from. So you can find something that isn't that annoying and resonates with the audience quite well there.
So here we have one of the AI document searches.
And so we're previewing here the different voices we can we could generate now. And so it'll generate an audio alongside that text. So you can play that.
If we input this question, we're just searching through my AI conversations with Microsoft. Copilot, we can see the AI summarizes table result, and it even includes references and summary.
Well, I realized we made a mistake, so we'll do it again then if we change the speech, and we can take update speech according to script, which means that if you change the text to the speech that you have will automatically change then. So let's just quickly fix those spelling mistakes then. And so now it says updating audio, and you can see the audio is now updated.
So here we have one of the AI document
searches. We play it now for the last time. You can delete the text and afterwards the audio still stays.
A while ago. If we input this question,
and so that is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. These are all really useful features, 7 ones as well as the honorable mention of recording voiceovers, and hope you enjoyed.